Sit. Good boy. Up. Up. Good boy. Here you go. There he goes. Yay. Come here. Ryder. Ryder, up. He's a birthday boy. Yay. Ryder, up. Up. Okay. Good boy.
Oh. Mommy.
We're not gonna sing to him, it's okay. We don't have to sing to him.
He's a good boy.
Ryder, come here.
He's not gonna like it now. He doesn't like it. It's fire.
On the count of 3.
Stupid.
1, 2, 3. Blow it out. Yay, Ryder.
That fucking candle out here. He's freaking out. He's shaking.
Oh. Ryder, it's okay. Oh, no. Oh, he just took the Ryder, no. Stay. Stay up here. Okay, there you go. Oh, he's just Ryder,
take it
you
easy,
need to
buddy.
eat it in pieces.
Ryder, you're gonna choke.
He likes it.
What the hell's the green shit?
Probably a piece of a carrot. I don't know. Yeah, it's a piece of a carrot.
Put the water up here just in case you want some. I'll cut some for Bella. Here. Give me her bowl. There you go, give that to her. There you go, Bella.
Here you go, Bella. Have some birthday cake. Ryder likes his cake.